this presentation, you will learn about the components of life insurance. Death benefit component. The death benefit on a life insurance policy is defined as the amount that is payable to a beneficiary when an insured person passes away. Death benefit proceeds can also be used to find the living expenses of an insured's survivors. Permanent life insurance policies consist of a death benefit component as well as cash value or underlying investment component. Encourages and forces thrift. A saving deposit can easily be withdrawn. The payment of life insurance premiums, however, is considered inviolate and is viewed with the same seriousness as the payment of interest on a mortgage. Thus, a life insurance policy, in effect, brings about compulsory savings. Cash value components. Life insurance provides a cash value or investment component that accumulates cash value that the policyholder may withdraw or borrow against. For example, whole life insurance offers a way to accumulate wealth as the premium that are paid into the policy go towards both payment of the insurance portion as well as towards equity growth in a savings type of account. Easy settlement and protection against creditors. A life insurance policy is the only financial instrument the proceeds of which can be protected against the claims of a creditor of the assured by effecting a valid assignment of the policy. The owner insured. The owner of a life insurance policy is the person or entity that has the rights that are stipulated in the actual life insurance policy contract. These rights include policy dividends, name of the beneficiary, right to surrender the policy for its cash value, and to transfer its ownership of the policy. Insured is the person whose death will cause the insurance company to pay the death benefit proceeds to the beneficiary. It is important to note that the insured and the policy owner may be the same person. Beneficiary. The beneficiary is the person or entity that is named in the policy who has the right to receive the death benefit proceeds if the insured should pass away while the policy is in force. It can be also a trust, an estate, business entity, etc. Ready marketability and suitability for quick borrowing. A life insurance policy can, after a certain time period, be surrendered for a cash value. The policy is also acceptable as a security for a commercial loan, for example, a student loan. Accidental death benefits. Many policies for an extra sum to be paid, typically equal to the sum assured, if death occurs as a result of accident. Tax benefits. Under the Indian Income Tax Act, 15% of the premium paid is allowed as a rebate from the total income tax liability. Also, 100% of the premium paid is deductible as an expenditure from business income. When these benefits are factored in, it is found that most policies offer returns that are comparable or even better than other saving models such as PPF, NSC, etc. Superior to other plans. Unlike other savings plan, a life insurance policy affords full protection against risk of death. In the event of a policyholder, the insurance company makes available the full sum assured to the policyholder's near and dear ones. In comparison, any other savings plan would amount to the total savings accumulated till date. If the death occurs prematurely, such savings can be much lesser than the sum assured. Thank you for watching the presentation.